One evening, Thomas brought his last train to the junction.
You guys, you're not gonna believe this!
Yes, what is it, Thomas? Today is the Topham had sentenced to friends. How? Can something be up when it's down? Look in the end, Bussy, look! Engines and friends from the underworld were coming along the line. Hello, engines. Hello, friends. The friends of mine explain. I don't know the others. What is always? So Topham has got a plan, and he's going to talk to us. Come on.
So they followed to the big station at the end of the line where all the engines had gone. The fat controller was waiting for them there.
The people of America read about this in the books, but they do not think that we are real. Shame! Shut up, Percy. So, I'm taking my engines and friends to America to show them.
Hooray! Hooray!
Silence! We start the day after tomorrow at 8 a.m. Meanwhile, as the engines and friends have got to come for the underworld, you will suddenly work tomorrow. The next day, Thomas and Molly brought this with some other coaches.
Thomas was excited. He began boasting about his race with Bertie.
I rushed to the tunnel and stopped the ditch from the buffers, like this.
Crash! The buffers broke. No one was hurt, but Thomas's front was badly bent. They telephoned the fat controller.
I'll send up some men, but if they can't bend Thomas in time, you go to America without him.
Next morning, the engines waited at the junction.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me!
Can we go to the America?
Okay, I give up.
On engines, let's go to the America.
The engines stood side by side in a big, airy shed. Hundreds of people came to see them and climbed in and out of their cabs every day. They liked it at first, but presently felt very bored and were glad when it was time to go. The people along their line put the flags out and cheered them home.
We are glad to see you. Those others did their best, but they don't know always. Not did anyone can compare with us the Topham had sent his friends.